the 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has fewer than 110,000 kilometers. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.